Take one, shot one.
Hey guys, how's it going with the Kurosi fam? Terrifying and sees ghosts.
Computer, hold on. I need to check on lunch.
Appa's making potatoes. It's a food break, stop. It's a food break.
Sorry for breaking your flow, Alex.
Yeah, I was in the zone. Are we good?
We're good.
Okay. Hey guys, we are the Kurosi fam. If you don't know, I am Mummy Kurosi. You just saw Appa Kurosi. And over there you can hear our tiny 2-year-old toddler who is Annabelle Kurosi. She's so scary and we love her. This week, we thought it would be nice to share what we, as parents for a 2.5-year-old, carry in the bag. Everybody's got a bag. You give up your purse as a mom and you get this beautiful thing. I got this for Christmas when we found out I was pregnant. Still holding up strong. It says Land Designed for Baby, Simple and Practical since 1990. I'm pretty sure my sister got it because I was born in 1990. It does have compartments for ice and whatnot, so when you are carrying around bottles and whatnot, it takes care of that. But we are far beyond that now. So let's take a look and see what's inside what we have now. This is for a typical grocery run or a typical, we need to go to the park. We know everything is in here. We can just grab it and go. It goes with our every day to daycare. It's basically my new purse. First things first, I like that it has this clip to bring in the 2 handles. It's kind of nice to keep everything together, especially when you have a kid, as we do every single morning when we leave the house. We are carrying bags. You just carry bags. Lunch bag, Annabelle's bag, miscellaneous thing, you know, you're gonna need for the day. So having things that tie up nicely together is always very, very nice. I'll start off with the back. 2 things. Number 1, we have this secret side pocket, which I call Annabelle's card pocket. It's also where I would stick, she calls this a bracelet, it's a hair elastic. I put a few of these in just to entertain her. You know she's not gonna choke or die on these. She just sticks them on her wrist and feels like a beautiful princess. Easy. Plus it's a hair tie for me. I also have her, I won't show it, but her Medicare card here. It doesn't matter where she's going, she's always gonna need this. I also have this very cool secret compartment in the back that brings you down to the bottom of the bag immediately, which is kind of great because that's where I store the diapers and the wipes. I also try to keep a wipe pack in the car, but this is a nice, easy access center. On top of that, in here is another secret compartment right here. Now this secret compartment is supposed to be for anything that needs to be waterproof, which I learned after the fact. So in here is where I keep all of Annabelle's medical records. Anything anyone needs to know, why she was part of a vaccine trial, any phone numbers to call, all of this is right here and ready to go for her. Let's get into the side pockets. Side pocket number 1. This is a place where you can put a white bag, in case you didn't know. You can put it here and it already has the opening, so it's an easy access for the wipe.
Amazing demonstration.
There you go. I don't mind this, but I find we use our side pockets for other things and the wipes we always have around anyway, so we don't usually do that. What I usually end up using it for is my water, because when we go out, I get thirsty and I ain't buying all those expensive drinks. I use my water, which Chubba yells at me for. Alyssa, I'm not gonna carry around that big heavy water. You're not gonna drink it till the end. I know, Chubba, but I might need it. I might need it, Chubba. It also works great as a refill for Annabelle's water. It's a liter of water. It's worth carrying.
Makes the bag so heavy, people.
Oh, boo-hoo. I carried her around for 9 months.
Good point.
9 months.
Valid point to this.
I also call this like the snacky snack pocket. A plethora of food. And in this case, I think I just stuck a whole box in the other day of cookies. We call these cookies in our house. They're just little cereal bars. There's nothing offensive about them. These are her favorite ones. They're strawberry banana, and we call them yellow happy cookies because they make her happy. As long as it's in one piece. The moment it's broken, toddler things, you know? Also, something very, 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 very important I've learned since putting Annabelle into a day home. You need to have some kind of medicine in your bag, just in case. There's gonna be a day where she is screaming and going weird because of her teeth. It gives everyone a peace of mind that you know there's already medicine in the bag. It's just something to make her feel better.
Modern medicine, dude.
At the end of the day, you're gonna be like, what's wrong with you? Just give her the medicine. Drug your child. The other pocket, anything in there? No, same idea though. This one's probably more the water bottle one because it doesn't have the hole. They're so nice and light. All right, so maybe we should open the top part of the bag.
Let's go.
Top part, which is the part.
Maybe I'll do like a slow-mo dash. You don't have to do slow.
Oh, right. Such a misconception. Bam! Very cool on the inside. Got a nice like little mouth to it. How wow. I'm a baby bag.
You give me a lot of content to work with.
I know, you're so lucky. Inside we have 5 little pockets on the side. And we utilize all of them. And then we have like a meat and potato kind of section here. Go through the zippy dippy. Right now it's just a tissue. That is the one bag I didn't look at. That's okay, it's pretty funny.
I don't think people would judge us for having dirty things in our baby bag.
No, it happens.
Come on, it's a parent thing.
Over here, we're in the process of potty training. So I have backup underwear.
Annabelle, you let us know if you need to pee or poop, okay?
Do you need to pee?
Okay, she said no. Carry on.
We haven't been going out in public with the bag, with the underwear yet, but it's there in case we need it. If you want to subscribe for more content, we will get into the details of the potty training adventure. It's chaotic, it's filled with adventure, and we don't know how it ends yet.
Chaotic in a good way.
That's how I would describe parenting to people who don't have kids. It's chaotic, but in a good way.
In a good way. It's perfect.
All right, over here, we got tissues. Just regular human tissues, mostly for Chubba. In this pocket, we have more elastics and more bracelets. I also have a tiny Paw Patrol car. This is important. I like to keep one regular human face cloth in here for her. Annabelle has a blocked tear duct that I'm pretty sure she's had since she was born. I don't like to use wet wipes for that. I feel like it can be pretty harsh. Just taking one of these and warming it up with warm water, that's so much nicer on the face. Face masks. Annabelle really hasn't had to wear a face mask in stores yet. Between 2 and 3, it's kind of the if they can phase, and she does sometimes, but I always like to have one in here for her. And look how micro mini it is. My good friend V made them. These are the best little masks. Next, I think I can diffuse any bad meltdown with this. You can say, do you want a My Little Pony? Yes. Okay, here you go. Braided's hair. All right, next, a summer hat. We live in Nova Scotia. The weather changes constantly here. There is gonna be a day where Annabelle says, no, I don't want to wear that hat, or it's super sunny. And I know we have our skater hat. Someday this will come in handy and Chubba will say, oh, Alyssa, you were right. That's a good idea to have that in the bag. I have a pair of spare set of gloves. She does not fit in these, but by golly does she love them. And then socks. Kids need socks, especially ours. She likes to take them off in the car. Then they get wet from the snow. I also have another spare set of mittens. Look, it's wintertime. We're gonna go through some of this stuff pretty quickly. There's gonna be a day where she plays in the playground, falls into a puddle, and Chubba goes, ah, ah, ah. I'll be like, it's fine. We have extras of everything.
Tell the viewers how cold it is right now.
It's like -22. That's why we're not outside today. I was forced to go out in -22, and look at me now. Look at this cool hat. My grandmother made it for Annabelle. And it looks just like Sky's hat. It's got the googles. It has matching mittens too, but those are on the other side. I also have an extra set of splash pants. They fit over everything, so it doesn't matter what she's wearing. She's gonna look good. She's gonna look good. All right. This little bad boy. This is a mat to put down on any changing table or anything you have to do for her. This is just a clean mat that we know is clean. We know if we put her bum on it, we're not gonna feel weird, and she's not gonna pick up any weird diseases. She's just gonna get the disease of this beautiful waterproof IKEA mat. Thanks IKEA, thanks for putting that in the sale section. So then comes into the spare clothes. We always have an extra sweater. Look at these. I do recommend putting in something you know she's gonna love, or he is gonna love wearing. Our child is very particular about what she wears. No idea where she got that from. No, if I had to pull it out and put it on, she's like, oh, I like the little whale. Or she calls it a balin? Bana, she calls it a bana. We got an extra pair of cute pants. She's in this phase where she does not like jeans right now, so they're in the bag because that's all she's gonna get. I can make her wear anything if at least one piece of article is good. I can be like, look, we got our nice sweater, and throw the pants on. She goes, I don't like the jeans. I go, I know, but that's all we got. And you got this beautiful sweater. And she's like, oh yeah, I like this sweater. See how it goes? Every time. Last but not least, another pair of pants. Our child doesn't grow much. She's still in like 12 to 18 month things, so some of this stuff has been around for a while for us. Should we work on growing our child?
More carrots.
That's everything that's in our baby bag. Car keys, I should show this actually. You wouldn't believe how much I actually lose these, but I do. But my car keys come with a grappling hook, which is either clipped to me or I can clip it on to the bag. And guess what? They ain't going nowhere. Look at them all. I think that's it. But if you are interested in buying this bag, you can. It's in the Amazon link. I would recommend it. You know, it's been 2.5 years. It's still holding up. But again, I like the book bag feature. You throw that on. Boop, 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 doop, boop, doop, boop, 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 boop. I'll note, every kid is different. You're going to know what works for your kid and what doesn't. I know for our kid, My Little Ponies and bracelets are gonna save the day. At the end of the day, this bag is for you to get through what you need to do, because it's hard enough to go to the store with a kid. Might as well make it a little bit easier with your survival pack. If you guys have any recommendations about what you put in your bag, please put them down in the comments below. If you want to see more really cool content from us, because we're hilarious and filled with positivity, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little dingle-dorking bell, because we put these out every Saturday. Give this video a like if you like the way my hair looks today. Look at this. I tried something new.
I think it's beautiful.
All right. Thanks, guys. We love you so much. See you next week.